I started out as a supervisor in a student care centre. I realised that this is something that I've always wanted to do, and that is to work with children. In the beginning, it was not easy to put theory into practice, but over time, I have learned to take heart to know about the people whom I work with, including children, teachers, and parents. What matters to them is what matters to me. Knowing that I'm able to inspire and encourage my fellow teachers, especially in these challenging times, affirms my skills as a leader. With my teachers, I'm always growing, learning to lead and leading to learn. Being a principal, a large part of my job involves getting to know my teachers and discovering their individual potential. Every teacher has the space to grow and develop, and through patience, guidance, and understanding, it is my role as a leader to help them realize that.
We often spot Madam Lee at the side of our classrooms during her observations. I think it is a way of learning about our personalities, interaction with the children, and teaching methods. She uses these to frame our curriculum meetings. These meetings are always very productive and useful in improving our lesson plans and even ourselves as educators. Her feedback has made me reflect on my lessons from a different perspective.
I think Ching Yen's mentorship goes beyond giving guidance and sharing teaching techniques. For example, a teacher wanted to call it quits. Madam Lee guided her step by step, building her confidence. Lo and behold, she's now able to work with the children independently. Ching Yen often says her teachers are the driving force behind her leadership. Likewise, the teachers see her leadership as a catalyst for improving their teaching practices.
Ching Yen is a passionate and caring leader. Her smiles and laughter encourage her team to weather through storms together. It warms my heart whenever I see her go the extra mile for the children. She's always putting their well-being first. I believe that you will continue to be an inspiration to others. Well done and kudos to you for winning the award.
Being under her leadership keeps us one step ahead. It is great to have someone who ensures that we are on the right track.
It is the people around you that keep your passion alive and vibrant. I'm thankful to be surrounded by the most motivated and creative team. At the end of the day, a leader is only as strong as her team.